Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials and immediately starting fixes. First, confirm your Wi-Fi or cellular is on, then toggle airplane mode for a few seconds to reset radios. Once done, make sure date, time, and region are set to automatic. Incorrect clock values often break secure connections. Restart the device and relaunch the App Store so you can observe any error codes. These quick actions clear transient network or certificate issues and put you in a position to dig deeper with confidence. Now you move into deeper checks that resolve persistent failures. First, verify general internet access by loading a web page. If that fails, switch to a different Wi-Fi or a phone hotspot to isolate the problem. Next, sign out of the App Store and sign back in so authentication tokens refresh. While signed out, confirm your Apple ID and payment details are valid. If connectivity still fails, reset network settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPN settings, but often removes hidden. Finish by applying final corrective steps that resolve most remaining issues. Update the device operating system so TLS and security patches match App Store requirements. Outdated OS can prevent connections. Check the system status for service outages, and if none, try reinstalling updates or clearing the App Store cache where possible. If problems persist, gather the error code, screenshots, and the diagnostics you ran, then contact support. That one troubleshooting tip, providing precise details, speeds resolution and avoids repeating earlier steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.